Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into the world of portable countertop dishwashers. Today, we will be looking at two popular models, the AooDen portable dishwasher and the Urlex portable dishwasher. Both of these compact appliances offer unique features designed for convenience in small living spaces. We'll explore their specifications, advantages, and disadvantages to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the AooDen portable dishwasher is priced at $339, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the Urlex portable dishwasher, which is priced at $359. This $20 difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a more economical choice. In terms of capacity, the AooDen model can accommodate dishes up to 12 inches at an angle, while the Urlex model boasts a capacity of 8 place settings. This means the Urlex may be more suitable for larger families or those who frequently entertain guests, despite its compact size. Both dishwashers offer unique features that set them apart. The AooDen model includes 5 washing programs, including a rapid cycle and a fruit wash mode. On the other hand, the Urlex model features a disinfection mode, which combines high-temperature cleaning with drying, ensuring your dishes are not only clean but sanitized as well. In conclusion, both the AooDen and Urlex portable dishwashers offer excellent features for their price points. The AooDen is a more affordable option with versatile washing programs, while the Urlex provides a higher capacity and a unique disinfection feature. Depending on your specific needs and budget, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.